Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the single cast-on drizzle stitch, and I'm also going to show you how to do the single cast-on drizzle stitch with a bead, so the beaded single cast-on drizzle stitch. This is another one of those variations that I saw, and then I played around with it, and I thought, well, why can't I make a drizzle stitch with it? And once I did the drizzle, I thought, well, why can't I add a bead to it? And so I did. This is demonstrating both of those techniques. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe and the little bell that pops up for email notifications. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments in the comments section. And grab something to stitch with. Grab a needle and some thread, and let's explore the single cast-on drizzle stitch together. These are my single cast-on drizzles, so instead of twisting, they've got this kind of thicker look to them. And here's one with a bead. I come up just as I would a regular drizzle stitch. I'm using Dalla thread with a No. 1 Milner's. And now I'm going to do my cast-ons, but instead of a drizzle where I would just do a cast-on all in one direction, I'm switching hands. And by doing that, I am removing the twist of the drizzle. I'm going to thread this up. Pull my thread through. If it's difficult, I get out my pliers. The pliers are in the description section. I'll link to them. And there's that. So let me do another with a bead. Instead of doing just a regular cast on with one hand, I'm alternating fingers. Okay, and now I'm going to add a bead to this. I have these thread packs from Sue Spargo's website. Thread that, and then I thread my needle. And then I'm going to pull this through. And there it is. So it's a different look than a regular drizzle. It's just an alternate way of doing it, of doing something a little different. I'll show this to you in a couple of different threads and thread weights. I'm using Summer Blossom. This is my Silken Pearl. I will use a No. 3 Milner's. I'm going to do a single cast on drizzle right in the center here of the variation on my whipped woven circle. I'm going to put my needle down, anchor it, and then just as I would a drizzle, I'm going to do one, but then this is where it changes. I do the other finger for the cast on. So instead of getting a little twirl with a drizzle, it's pretty much straight up and down. Now if I want to, I can add a bead to this. I'll add this color. I'm going to add my bead, rethread my Milner. And I'm going to pull this through. And there's my little single cast on drizzle stitch. One more. Anchor my thread. Add my little bead. on this time. Rethread my Milners, pull my needle through. Yes, we'll do one more. There's 20. Thread my needle. There's my little single cast on drizzle stitch with a bead. So if you want to drizzle and you don't want the twist, this is a great alternative. I'm going to do a couple of little single cast on drizzles. I'm going to do it in this one, which is a number 8 weight EZM 14. So I'll use a number 3 Milners. I think I'll do it right here, just at the base. Anchor my thread back down, my needle into my pad, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to do a little one, rethread my needle, and pull this through. And I'll do another one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. Rethread my needle. Pull through. And I'll do one more. Six, 7, 8. Okay. 9. Thread my Milners and pull through. So there it is. This is the number 8 weight eleganza variegated, and this is silken pearl. You can try it with all different kinds of threads and thread weights, but this is just a couple. This one's with beads and this one is without. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting or helpful, and perhaps makes you think of how you might use these if you wanted a drizzle but didn't want that little twist that a typical drizzle does. I think it certainly has its uses, and I really love it right here, kind of tiny with this other little funny flower I made. Don't forget to hit the like button, click on that subscribe button and the little bell that pops up for email notifications. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments in the comment section, and check out the description section where I'll leave these threads in the description. Until next time, here's to exploring stitches together.